this is question number 1 in practical question. આ તમારો પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન છે પ્રેક્ટિકલ ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર પેજ નંબર I told you page number 41. Practical question page number 41. This is the example. This example I have taken from there. And એના પહેલા જે example ગણ્યો example number 14 હતો. If you are having book, example number 15. Example number 15 on page number 53. એની આગળ જે example ગણ્યો એ 53 નંબરના પેજ ઉપર 15મો example હતો. હવે જે example ગણવા જઈ રહ્યા છે એ 41 નંબરના પેજ ઉપર પહેલો example છે. Right? If you are having book, if you're not having the book, then don't worry. This is the example. Okay, you just take the screenshot and put at a side. Screenshot લઈને સાઈડમાં મૂકી શકો. And then we go for the solution. આપણે એના solution તરફ જઈએ છીએ. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
So let's read the amount carefully. Example પહેલા બરાબર સમજી લઈએ. And then after we prepare the statement according both the method. બંને method પ્રમાણે આપણે ગણીશું. So here the unit marginal cost of an item produced by Mona Chemical Limited is 10 rupees and its unit selling price is 20 rupees. Selling price is 20 rupees, variable cost, marginal cost is 10 rupees. Its budgeted production is fixed at 10,000 units. Budgeted production is fixed at 10,000 units, while it sells for the first year were 6,000 units and 13,000 units for the second year. So here the information of 2 years are given to you. The last two example we have solved, in that only 1 year's information is given. And here 2 years information is available. So we are required to prepare the statement for 2 years. 6,000 units sell, 13,000 units sell for the first year and second year. And your budgeted production is 10,000. Its annual fixed cost is 50,000 rupees. Actual production for the first year was 10,000 units and 9,000 units during the second year. Calculate the profit under both absorption costing and marginal costing and explain the difference between two. Okay. Now, variable cost is 10. There is no administration and selling and distribution cost is given in the example. So from that point of view, are relaxed. Administration, selling, distribution kasu છે જ નહીં. સારામાં સારી વાત છે. Fixed cost 50,000 છે. Fixed cost 50,000 છે. And budgeted production is 10,000 units. Now tell me, what is fixed cost recovery rate? Per unit fixed cost is what? Fixed cost recovery rate કેટલો છે? Absorption rate, recovery rate. 5 rupees. How the 5 is? Okay.
50,000 divided by 10,000.
50,000 divided by 10,000. Very nice. 50,000 divided by 10,000. બરાબર સમજો. જે લોકો થોડા unconsciously બીજે ક્યાંક જતા રહે. Be focus on the example. Okay. Do not ask this question again how this 5 is. 50,000 divided by 10,000. I just show you this. This is 50,000 your factory cost. Fixed factory cost. And this is your budgeted production 10,000 units. 10,000 divided 50,000 divided by 10,000, 5 rupees. Your variable cost is 10 rupees. Where your variable cost is 10 rupees. Okay. And your fixed factory overhead is 5 rupees. So total cost is 15 rupees as per absorption costing. Absorption ma total je છે ને 15 rupees આવશે અને variable ma marginal ma 10 rupees આવશે. Selling price is 20 rupees is given. And the most important things here, 2 years information is given to you. 2 વર્ષની information છે તમારી પાસે. Okay. And we are required to prepare the statements of profit under marginal costing system and absorption costing system. Okay. So let's calculate this example. I have not solved example of it. I solved nothing. So I will solve you for you on the Excel sheet. Okay. So let's see. I will give you one more screen. Okay, can you see the Excel sheet on your mobile screen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So let's calculate this example before you, how it is to be calculated. Two statements we are required to prepare. The first statement is statement showing profit under marginal costing. Okay, columns are particular, then year one, first year, and second year. You can prepare the inner outer column. You can internally make the total and minus it. Okay, so how to arrange the data, it is up to you. કઈ રીતે ડેટાને arrange કરવું છે તમારે જોવાનું છે. You can arrange according to your convenience. Not necessary that you have to arrange as I like, as you like. You can arrange it. Okay, inner outer બી રાખી શકો છો અથવા તો એક જ બે જ કોલમની અંદર બી પૂરું કરી શકો છો. તો હું અહીંયા ઇનર આઉટરમાં જઉં છું. એઝ પર ધ રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ આપણે આગળ વધીશું. ક્લિયર? એન્ડ સેકન્ડ યર, first year, second year. Okay, then after, in first year it is rupees, 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 and rupees. Okay, we modified it. It is readable to all. વંચાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So this is your statement under marginal costing system. Clear? And according to the system, you know that first of all, we write the cells. સૌથી પહેલા શું લખવાનું? Cells. Okay, what is your selling price? 10 rupees. And how many number of unit you sold in the first year? Units sold in the
6,000.
first year is 6,000, and second year 13,000. Correct? Ne? 6,000 and 13,000. So 6,000 into 20.
1,20,000.
6,000 into 20. 1,20,000. And here 13,000 into 20. Answer is 2,60,000. Correct? This is your sales. Understood? Sales is 1,20,000 and 2,60,000. Is there any confusion in it? No.
No.
Less marginal cost of production. Marginal cost of production. Marginal cost is 10 rupees per unit, as we have already discussed, and as it is given in the example directly. सीधे सीधું આપેલું છે, marginal cost 10 rupees per unit. Okay. And now tell me, is there any opening stock and closing stock in the example? Yes. Yes. Okay. And is opening stock and closing stock, you must be calculate the opening and closing first, and then we go ahead. Okay, so let's calculate here in the side opening and closing stock. Okay, how we calculate? Let's see. First year, second year, opening stock, then production, then less closing stock. And then you are having sales. Okay. Okay. You already know this formula. Opening stock plus production less closing stock is equal to sales. I think it is not need to explain you. Okay, આટલી ખબર પડે ને આપણને. Opening stock એમાં production plus કરીએ, closing stock minus કરીએ તો sell મળે. You all are agree with me?
Yes.
Please give yes, very nice. Okay, so what is your opening stock in the first year? No any opening stock is there. What is production in the first year? What is production?
10,000.
10,000 units.
10,000.
Okay. Yes. So 10,000 units is the production. And what is sales in the first year? 6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
Then you can say what is closing stock?
4,000.
4,000. Not directly specified, not directly given in the example. You must be understand it with your knowledge and with your understanding that how 10,000 unit you are produced. There is no any opening stock, right? And 6,000 unit you are going to sell. That means what? 4,000 unit is unsold. It is in your hand. Not need to state it. Okay. Your opening stock is 0. No any opening stock. Production is 10,000. 4,000 unit is closing and 6,000 unit is sold. Correct? Okay. Now, how many number of units sold in the second year? 13,000. It is given.
30,000.
It is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any opening stock here in the second year?
4,000.
Yes, sir.
4,000. Yes. This is the important point.
4,000.
Okay. Closing stock of previous year is become the opening stock of this year. Okay. If opening stock is 4,000, selling is 13,000. Okay. How many number of unit produced in this year?
9,000.
9,000 it is given. It is given.
Yes.
See, check your example. Right? So 9
Yes.
plus 4, 13. And 13 is sell. Then what is your closing stock?
0.
0. Okay. Hope you understand this table.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. આ બનાવતા આવડશે ને તો જ કામ થશે. આ નહીં આવડે તો નહીં થાય. Clear? Be careful. બરાબર ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. Okay, most important thing. This is your most important calculation. Clear? Now let's come here. હવે અહીંયા આવી જઈએ. Sales is given. Marginal cost of production. So marginal cost of production of goods sold. So first is total cost of unit produced, marginal cost of unit produced. Okay. So cost of production in bracket we can say how many number of unit produced 10,000. So 10,000 multiply 10 rupees marginal cost. So what is the cost here? 1 lakh. Add opening stock and less closing stock. Opening stock is not given, 0. First year ma opening stock hatu na. Closing stock
4,000.
4,000, but 4,000 is unit. You must be converted into rupees. So 4,000 into 4,000 into 10, because it is marginal costing. So marginal costing is 10. So here 40,000. Got it? Okay. For the second year. હવે એ જ પ્રમાણે બીજા વર્ષની અંદર જઈએ. તો second year ની અંદર how many unit you produce? Production is 13,000? 9,000. Sorry.
13,000.
No. 13,000.
9,000.
9,000.
9,000. So 9,000 into 10.
5.
Okay. Your answer is here 90,000. Then opening stock 40,000. I think it is not need to explain you. 40,000 closing stock of first year become a opening stock of this year. And closing stock is 0. Am I correct? Now put on outer side the figure. This, then plus this and minus this. Something is wrong. Is equal to this plus this and minus this. What your answer is? 60,000. Check karta jajo. You must have the calci.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this year, this and plus this and minus this. Your answer is 1,30,000. Okay. Then contribution. Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. So here contribution is 60,000 and here 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Okay. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
હવે અમે સીધે સીધું ખબર પડવી જોઈએ 20 રૂપિયા સેલિંગ પ્રાઇસ છે, 10 રૂપિયા વેરિયેબલ કોસ્ટ છે, એટલે 10 રૂપિયા કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન આવે. 6,000 યુનિટ વેચો તો 60,000 કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન આવે. 13,000 યુનિટ વેચો તો 1,30,000 કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન આવે. આ જવાબ આપણને ખબર હોવી જ જોઈએ. ક્લિયર? સીવીપી એનાલિસિસ આપણે ઓલરેડી ભણી ગયેલા છીએ. ક્લિયર? કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન આટલું જ હોય આમ, પણ આ બધું ફોર્મેટ છે એનું, ફોર્મેટ પ્રમાણે જવાનું. ઓકે. So this is your contribution. Contribution minus less fixed cost. What is your fixed cost? Total fixed
50,000.
cost 50,000.
50,000.
Yes. So 50,000 here and 50,000 here. Sir, let's check the answer. 10,000 and 80,000. This is your profit. No administrative, selling and other expenses are given. So this is your profit. Okay. If you are having any confusion, you can tell me. Otherwise, the first part of the example is over here. A fellow part tomorrow puro thai gyo. Okay, and this is required calculation. Okay, you can see the answer very clearly. बराबर
Yes.
समझाई છે દેખાઈ છે ને?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So in the same way, we will prepare one more statement, that is a statement of profit under absorption costing system. આવું નવું statement absorption costing માટે બનાવી દઈએ નીચે જ. Okay, એક જ વસ્તુ ચેન્જ કરવાની છે, that is absorption costing. Okay, let's see how we solve this. In this, selling is remain same. Marginal cost नहीं आवे. Marginal cost ની જગ્યાએ શું આવશે અહીંયા? Cost of production. Okay, cost of production. Cost of production of goods sold. Of goods sold. અથવા એમ કહી શકીએ production cost of goods sold. Right? Cost of production 10,000 unit into કેટલા લેવાશે અહીંયા? 10 કે 15? આ 15 કેવી
15.
રીતે સમજાઈ શકશો કોઈ મને?
બંને
How
year
this
ના
15
ભેગા છે.
is? હા, બંને year ના ભેગા નહીં. No.
Variable and
fixed Sir.
cost mix.
Yes, fixed and a variable.
5 plus.
Fixed. Yes, fixed cost 50,000 is added here, right? On the basis of budgeted production. Your budgeted production is 10,000. 50,000 is your budgeted cost. 10,000, 50,000 divided by 10,000, that means 5 rupees. And 5 is added here. 5 is added here. Okay. चलो तो કેટલા થશે? 10,000 એટલે 1,50,000. Okay, and here 15 nines are 135, I think. 1,35,000. Okay. Now opening stock is 0, and here opening stock is also valued at 15 rupees. The opening stock is valued at 15 rupees. If it is at 15 rupees, okay, then what is the amount? 15 fours are 60,000. Okay, and same 60,000 is here. Okay. Now what is your profit? Tell me. અહીંયા contribution ના આવે. Contribution આવશે? No contribution. So what is your profit? 120 minus 90, 30,000. And here, what 260 minus 195. What is the profit?
65,000. 65,000.
65,000. 65,000. Okay. Is there any confusion in it? Oh, no. There is no administration and selling expenses. There is no administration and selling expenses. Then what the next step? Under recovery and over recovery of overhead. Now there is a first year and second year. Under recovery and over recovery. How we calculate under recovery and over recovery, that is important here. Okay, so let's calculate in the side under recovery and over recovery. Under and over absorption. Okay, budgeted production. Budgeted production. First year 10,000. Second year also 10,000. This is budgeted production. Actual production. Actual production. Actual production first year. पहला वर्षे कितना यूनिट बनाया છે 10,000. Second year 9,000. Okay. So first year difference is 0 and second year difference is 1,000. If you produce less unit, then it is under recovery or over recovery. Now absorption rate. Absorption rate. Absorption rate is rupees 5. Fixed overhead absorption rate is rupees 5.
Under recovery.
Okay. So here
Under recovery.
Yes, under recovery, under absorption. In first year 0 and second year 5,000. Under recovery rupees 5,000. First year 0. Okay, hope you understand this. Okay, આમાં કોઈ ડાઉટ આ ટેબલ અંડર રિકવરી ઓવર રિકવરી સમજાઈ ગયું બધાને?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ઓકે, વેરી નાઇસ. તો અંડર હોય તો શું કરવાનું, પ્લસ કે માઇનસ?
Minus.
So less under recovery, under absorption of factory overhead. 5,000 in second year only. First year માં તો છે જ નહીં. Okay, so first માં 0 મૂકી દઈએ. Now your answer is 30,000 and 60,000. Okay, this is your profit. Is that profit is same in both the year? બંને વર્ષમાં profit same, બંને method માં profit same આવે છે? અહીંયા 10-80, અહીંયા 30-60. સેમ છે કે અલગ અલગ છે?
अलग છે.
અલગ છે. અલગ હોવાનું કારણ? એક જ કારણ, સ્ટોક. સ્ટોક ના હોય તો પ્રોફિટ સેમ હોય. એટલે એક જ કારણ છે, સ્ટોક. તો સ્ટોક ના ડિફરન્સીસ ને જો આપણે રિકન્સિલેશન માં મૂકી દઈએ, then you will get reconcile your answer. તમે એનું એક્સપ્લેનેશન સમજાઈ શકો? ઓકે, આ બે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ માં કોઈ કન્ફ્યુઝન હોય તો પૂછો. If you are having any confusion in statement number 1 and statement number 2 or this side calculation, tell me. If you not, then we will go ahead. તો હું reconciliation માં જઉં પછી.
Under and over absorption માં confusion છે થોડું.
હા બોલો.
Under absorption છે ને જે 5,000 ચલે. એ ક્યાંથી આવે?
ક્યાંથી આવે એવો ક્વેશ્ચન કેમ?
રેટ સમજમાં આવી ગઈ, લાસ્ટમાં 5,000 ને નહીં સમજમાં આવ્યો છે.
અચ્છા, 1000 into 5. 1000 into 5. 1000 ખબર પડી? ઉપર 1000 સમજાય છે? 1000 કીધે આવ્યું?
હા.
બજેટમાં શું નક્કી કર્યું હતું આપણે કે 10,000 યુનિટ બનાવીશું? અને બન્યા 9,000 તો 1000 ઓછા બન્યા,
હા
ઓછા એટલે અંડર, ઓછા એટલે અંડર, અને વધારે બને તો, હવે તમે 10 ની
ઓવર.
જગ્યાએ 11,000 યુનિટ બનાવ્યા હોત તો
1000 ઓવર એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન આવે.
1000 into 5. Okay, if your production is more than the budget, then there is a over absorption, or if your production is less than the budget, then it is under absorption. That means it is nothing, it is comparison of budgeted production and actual production. If production is more, then it is over. If production is less, then it is under. Hope you got it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, anybody else? No. Now the next statement is reconciliation of profit. Okay, so we reconcile the profit. तो कोई पण एक प्रॉफिट થી શરૂ કરો. Profit as per marginal costing. It's a very simple thing. Marginal costing. Marginal costing પ્રમાણેનો profit. So let's take the answer 10,000 and 80,000. Year 1 and year 2. So here I reach year 1, year 1, year 2. Profit is 10,000 and 80,000. Okay. Then difference in opening stock. Opening stock. पहला एड के लेस લખવાનું જ નહીં. Difference in opening stock. Okay. પછી લખવાનો difference in closing stock. And last તમારો answer profit as per absorption costing. Profit as per absorption costing. अच्छा absorption costing તમને ખબર જ છે, અહીંયા 30,000 જવાબ લાવવાનો છે અને અહીંયા 60,000 જવાબ લાવવાનો. આ ફિક્સ જ છે. Everything is pre-planned and scripted. Right? આટલો જ જવાબ લાવવાનો તમારે. અરે આઈ જ જવો જોઈએ. अच्छा difference in opening stock. Opening stock નો difference કાઢીએ તો પહેલા વર્ષની અંદર કેટલો છે અહીંયા opening stock? 0 અને અહીંયા 0. તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? 0. Got it? चलो closing stock. Closing stock here 40,000. Here 60,000. Difference 20,000. 20,000. Okay. સમજાતું છે 30,000 કેવી રીતે આવી ગયા? Okay. પછી અહીંયા opening stock. Opening stock here 90,000. Sorry, 40,000. Here 60,000. Difference 20,000. And closing stock 0. Okay. So 30,000 and 60,000 answer you get. આ 20 શું કરવા પડે? લેસ કરવા પડે. તો અહીંયા લખી દેવાનું લેસ. ઓકે. અને નેક્સ્ટ વાળા 20 શું કરવા પડે? એડ કરવા પડે ને? તો લખી દેવાનું એડ. વાત પૂરી થઈ ગઈ. Add or less. So your profit is reconciled. So if you are having any confusion, just tell me. No, then we are almost complete today's session. આજનું સેશન મોટા ભાગનું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું છે.